Have you ever been working on a complex design in Inkscape only for the application to suddenly crash before you could hit save? It is an incredibly frustrating experience that every designer has faced at least once. But do not panic, because in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to recover your lost files using Inkscape's native recovery tools. We will walk through finding your autosave directory and hunting down those emergency files to ensure you never lose your progress again. If this tutorial helps you save your project, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let us get into the recovery process. The first thing you need to do is open Inkscape. If your previous session closed unexpectedly, Inkscape often attempts an automatic recovery upon launch, but if that screen did not appear, we need to dig into the preferences. Go to the top menu and click on Edit, then select Preferences, or even faster, just press Ctrl+Shift+P on your keyboard. Once the Preferences window pops up, look at the sidebar on the left and navigate down until you see the group label Input or Output. Click on that to expand it, and then select Autosave. Here you will see the Autosave directory path listed. This is the secret location where Inkscape hides all those temporary files that might contain your hard work. Highlight that path, copy it, and then open your File Explorer or Finder. Paste that path into the address bar and hit Enter. You should see a list of files with the .svg extension. Look for files created around the time of your crash. These are your auto-saved versions. Now, what if you can't find anything there? There's one more powerful place to check. Sometimes Inkscape generates an emergency file in your main user home directory. Navigate to your C drive, go to Users, and then click into your specific user folder. Take a thorough look through this folder for a file named inkscape-emergency.svg. This file is often created the moment the system detects a failure, and it acts as a snapshot of your final moments of editing. Once you locate the correct file, simply move it to a safe space and rename it to something permanent, like project_recovered.svg. Then you can open it right back up in Inkscape and continue your work without skipping a beat. It is a simple lifesaver that keeps your workflow moving forward. I hope this guide helps you recover those designs. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.